superstar, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to restore moisture to super dry hair. As you know, dry hair leads to breakage and you're not going to retain any length. So if your goal is to retain length, to grow your hair thicker, healthier and voluminous, we need this DIY aloe vera juice. Yes, we're going to use aloe vera for our hair and scalp. By the way, I am Maryam Kapama and this is a hair channel. So if you're new here, hi, hello, welcome and thank you very much for joining. But if you're my regular day one supporter, everyday watcher, regular returning, whatever, I so much appreciate you. Please, if you're new, be sure to click the subscribe button and join the family. However, stay true by clicking the bell notification so you get notified every time I do an upload. That being said, I want to take you straight to the video. To begin with, we're going to need fresh aloe vera leaves for the ingredients on preparing this DIY juice. It has amazing properties for the hair. Aloe vera is a very nice leaf when it comes to hair growth. It has so many wonderful benefits when it comes to the hair and scalp. Aloe vera can be in so many other forms. You can get aloe vera in a powder form, or you can get it in a gel in any pharmacy around. But the best way to get all the benefits of aloe vera to your scalp is by using the raw gel of the aloe vera fresh plant. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Firstly, we are going to soak the aloe vera leaf just to remove these yellow stains that come with the aloe vera, because they have this tendency to itch your scalp. So by soaking, we are going to extract the aloe vera gel just by by splitting into two the aloe vera plant and extracting the gel by a spoon. Here are my extract that I just extracted from the aloe vera fresh plant. You can use as many as you can because this plant is a lot. It's going to restore a lot of moisture in your hair. I'm going to be throwing in benefits, so keep on watching until the end of the video. We're not going to blend the aloe vera because we don't want those tiny little flakes to stay in our hair. So what we do, we're going to be pressing like I'm doing, just to get the liquid out of the jelly. Since aloe vera is gentle, don't worry about it getting into your hands. Aloe vera has wonderful benefits to the skin and hair. There are a lot of benefits when it comes to using aloe vera juice for the hair. If you're wondering what exactly aloe vera juice does for the hair, let me break down the tea for you, superstar. Aloe vera is really good at soothing an itchy scalp. So if your skin is itchy, irritated, or even suffering from inflammatory, aloe vera is your way to go. Aloe vera can ease an itching and flaking. In fact, research has found that aloe vera juice helps a lot when it comes to the hair by stopping the redness in the scalp, since the fatty acid in the aloe vera has soothing properties. It's deeply cleanse. It's going to cleanse your scalp in a deeper level. Forget this detox shampoo. Aloe vera juice is amazing. It's a natural alternative, especially very helpful when you're having oily skin or scalp. It cleanses the hair, extra sebum that usually produced when you have excess oil in your hair. And also it's going to get rid of products buildup without stripping your hair strands. So it's the safest way to go. Be sure to strain your aloe vera juice and adjust it to your spray bottle for easy application. Aloe vera is very good when it comes to strengthening your hair. Stronger strands are a major point when it comes to aloe vera juice for hair growth. It's full of vitamins like the vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, which helps a lot when it comes to rejuvenation and boosting cell turnover, leading to healthy cell growth. These vitamins also protect your hair from free radicals, and it's just amazing overall. As you can see, the juice is ready for application. Aloe vera is going to hydrate your hair because naturally aloe vera is a natural humectant. Humectant meaning it can lock in moisture while attracting moisture from the air, the surrounding. As you can see, my hair was super dried as I had a protective style of natural African threading method. As you can know, this method is really good at drying the hair. Now all the threads are out. I'm going to undo those sections for application, but the best way to incorporate this treatment, this aloe vera treatment, is when you use it on a clean scalp, so that you can help those nutrients from aloe vera penetrate to your hair strands and your scalp. You feel me? Aloe vera is going to hydrate your hair in a very deeper level. It's going to add in moisture to your hair, and it's also going to hold on the hydration in your hair as well. So it's really good. If your hair is super dry, guy, you don't need that. Just go for aloe vera. It's going to care for your skin, your scalp. So here is my hair, freshly washed, very clean, ready to apply this amazing, wonderful treatment. As you know, aloe vera promotes healthy hair growth. Since the aloe vera leaves the scalp extra clean and strengthen the strand, that in turn will lead to less breakage and more healthier to your hair overall. As a result, that can help you when growing out your hair. Keep in mind, aloe vera has not been clinically proven to help hair grow faster, but from the ingredients that aloe vera contains, it's no doubt it's going to stimulate and boost hair growth. Listen, if it strengthens your strands, if aloe vera is said to add moisture, that means you're going to have strongest hair strands and moisturized. Overall, you're not going to suffer from breakage because your hair strands are strong and moisturized. That means you're going to gain elasticity on your hair and more shrinkage, which means healthy. That means your hair is going to thank you for using this treatment. Make sure your hair is saturated as mine, and I'm just going to add in a plastic bag or a shower cap to help the moisture sit on the hair. Not the moisture, but the juice itself to sit on the hair. Aloe vera, with all these vitamins and minerals that aloe vera is rich in making your hair healthier, it's going to also add extra shine to your strands. Your strand will be so soft, will be softer with regular use. So be sure to be using this aloe vera regularly. Yes, I'm washing my face with some aloe vera juice just to help my skin. Be sure to leave it for like few minutes, then wash it with cool water. You can use aloe vera in different ways. You can use it as a hair mask, or as a scalp massager, or as a pre-poo, as I just did. That's not technically a pre-poo, but a deep treatment. When you're making a hair mask, aloe vera is going to soothe the dry and damaged hair. Use aloe vera juice as a hair mask, as I just did. Just clean your scalp and pour water to your hair, as I just did, and adjust the heat just to help, especially if you have low porosity like me. It's very important to adjust heat to help your hair cuticles to open up, so the aloe vera juice can penetrate to a deeper level in your hair strands. Also, it's important you do scalp massages when you have this aloe vera treatment. because it's going to enhance blood circulation, which means you're going to allow more blood to flow, hence you're going to stimulate hair growth. I'm going to wear this for 40 minutes. As of now, I'm going to be taking my lunch because I'm going to sit here for 30 to 40 minutes. So please welcome, thank you very much. And be sure to click the video on the screen just to see another amazing DIY that I've done for my channel that you can do it yourself. And I'll see you guys in that video. Until next time, be sure to check the description box, superstar. There's a lot of information and other recommendations in the description box. Until next time, I'm going to see you guys in this video right here on the screen. I love you guys so much. Thank you. Give me a like and a comment. I'll see you in this other video. Thank you. Bye bye.